Y'all, what's going on? Listen, I'm back with yet another video. For those of you who are already subscribed, you already know what it is. For those of you who are tuning in for the first time, welcome. What you can find here are talks about maca root extract to be exact, how to gain/maintain weight, product reviews, skincare product reviews, skincare hacks, how to grow hair, specifically 4C hair, longer 4C hair, and just how to glow the heck up in general. Alright, so let's get into it. Happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Let freedom ring. We out here and we've come such a long way to go, but we're here. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and staying safe. With that being said, first thing I want to say is I've been rocking these nail stickers for 2 weeks. I put these on January 4th to be exact. Aside from the turmeric scrub that I've used that caused a tad bit of yellowness to my nails and some slight chipping, when I say this has made my nails grow like crazy, the stickers are still there. You can't even really tell that I need to change them due to the fact that the bottom is clear. Under $5. During this time, for most of us, it is a crazy time and we can't spend like we were before, which I think is a good thing. So if you are going to spend your coin, you want it to go a long way. You want it to be worth it. Y'all, these nail stickers, again, are under $5 and I have not switched these out for 2 weeks. Now, this is this particular design. Some last a week, some last a week and a half. But again, for under $5, it is by far the best nail solution I have ever tried in my life. And that's me being real, not just trying to sell you something. These are amazing. I've told you all about Kojic acid soap. I've told you all about the lemons. I've also tried lime under my arms. What I can say is that they both did sting, but then I would use coconut oil and other things to combat that. Y'all, the dude, the representative in Ulta put me on to The Ordinary's Glycolic Acid Solution 7%. And y'all, he said he uses it as deodorant. So I said, excuse me, come again? It's almost as though God himself put that representative before me, knowing what I had been discussing here on YouTube. I said, wait a minute. I said, you've been using this as what? He said, oh yes, because glycolic acid kills bacteria. Y'all know I've mentioned glycolic acid before, anti-aging, but it has you glowing up under here. I, as you know, have really not been rocking deodorant like that, especially not if I don't have to go to work or be around people per se. I really haven't. I've been trying to stick with the lime and the lemon. One thing I can say is that this has lasted longer than both the lime and the lemon and without the sting, which is what the representative told me. He was like, the thing about lemon and lime, he was like, they burn. He was like, this, I wear it every day. It keeps me dry, odor-free, and it doesn't burn. I said, say what? He said, because it kills bacteria. So I had to try it for myself. Not only because I want to, of course, and I have been, but I just want to give you all at least a couple weeks before I give you a review. I've been using it on my face as well, which I told you that I needed to get back into the glycolic acid. But why have I been using it on my underarms? And for the past few days, I don't smell anything, right? I'm talking about even after I shower, even after hours, even after I'm out and about, if I have to run errands or whatnot. I don't smell anything. It doesn't burn me like that. And y'all, peep, it's fairly smooth. Mind you, I haven't gotten laser in a long time. Remember, I swear by laser. I haven't done it in a long time, so I just recently shaved. After shaving and using the glycol, it still didn't burn my underarm like that. The following day, I didn't feel anything after shaving, right? And it's keeping me pretty, I feel a little dampness, I'll say that, in using this, but odor, I don't smell no odor. peep this one. This underarm, I still want to be a little bit lighter, okay? So, but I'm gonna check in with y'all and keep y'all posted. Come show y'all my underarms here and there. But we out here. So I think that the thing about glycolic acid is that not only does it kill bacteria, but it seems to have lightened my underarms even more in just a short amount of time. I don't know if I'm tripping, but we gonna see. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. The Ordinary. I kept seeing this all over YouTube, but you know, you see everything all over YouTube. You don't know what's what works, what's just hype, what's this. I don't believe is hype, but again, I get really excited about things. So y'all, give me another week or two. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna update y'all in a week, and I'm gonna update y'all in 2 weeks, so we really know what's up with this. But the ingredients are really, really great. I love that the scent is just, I don't think there's any fragrance in this actually. It says use ideally in the PM no more frequently than once per day. Like I said, I'm using it as deodorant as well. But I have also been using it on my face in the PM. I've been alternating with another product that we're going to talk about, okay? But so far, I like it. And affordable. I didn't know the Ordinary was affordable. I had no idea. But my thing is, if they have the same ingredients and they are effective, then what I need the more expensive products for? Nah, fam. I've looked at the ingredients, and one thing I could say is that it looks pretty good. It contains alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to sun. So for that reason, I definitely suggest, as I always do anyway, wearing a sunscreen during the day. And apparently, you should even wear sunscreen in your house. Light is still coming in. The ultraviolet rays may still come in. I've even been wearing sunscreen in the house, y'all. Like, I'm not playing no games out here, fam. But I'm just so surprised that this thing really is working as a deodorant and has my armpits glowing up. And why y'all didn't tell me that? Why y'all didn't tell me about this? Thanks y'all so much for tuning in. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I will most definitely be back with more. There is a sale on my cosmetics right now. MLK 40 will get you 40% off of cosmetics, and of course MACA 20 will get you 20% off of the MACA. But y'all came through over the weekend with the orders. I don't think you understand how you've helped me get through times that I wasn't sure I could get through. So I really do appreciate it. But y'all, this is not a game, and it really is a great product. So thank you again for tuning in, and I'll holla. And hit that bell for notifications if I didn't say so. Holla.